You may have noticed that when you've been working on your slides, there's this area down here. I'll look at one of these here. It says click to add speaker notes. It's just this empty panel down here. This is called the notes panel. And it allows you to take notes about your presentation that the audience is not going to see. The reason they have this is because in a good presentation, you shouldn't just be reading everything right off the screen. It's actually more effective to have just a few words on the screen, but then really talk to your audience. So to do that, you may want to take more notes that are off the screen, and then you can just refer to those while you're giving your presentation. So to add them, you just start typing stuff in here. You can type paragraphs and paragraphs worth of stuff into this space. And then there's a few things that you can do with these. If you go to present, all right, the normal way to present is to just click this and it's just, the screen comes up. But if you go down here and you click notes, then you get a panel that shows your notes here. So as I hit the right arrow key to advance my slides, you'll see that my notes are coming up here. I'm going to go backwards now. So I can see my notes. Now, my audience is not going to see this because these slides are being projected up on a classroom projector or an auditorium projector or something like that. Normally they will not be seeing my monitor. So this is sort of just like a private thing for me. Also, if these words are a little too small, I can click the plus button a few times and make it a lot bigger. That way, if I'm standing far away from the monitor, I can still read them. You can also see that as I advance through the slides, I'll press the space bar this time. You can see here, this is previewing the next slide that's going to be coming up. So that's another nice feature of using this panel. And to get out of presentation mode, I just hit escape. And that's how you use the notes panel.